Hey, this is John with Vapour, and today I'm going to show you how to refill our cartridges. So you want to first of all get some sort of a tool, like this is a piece of a coat hanger. You want to make sure it fits right inside of the top here. Then you want to gently pry open like this. Make sure you don't put too much torque on it so you don't crack the plastic. When it comes off, it'll look like that. Lay it down some sort of like a tissue or absorbent material. And you have a second rubber ring inside of here. That stops the liquid from splashing up. You take that out as well, then lay it, there will be a little groove inside of it. You lay that part facing up, and if you can see inside the cartridge, there's a little batting inside there with a tube down the center. Then you have a little heating element inside of there which heats the liquid. So to refill it, you're going to want to just tilt it on an angle, just put a little bit of liquid along the side, let it soak in, and put a little bit more in, and you can kind of gauge how wet the material is. You want to get it so it's just kind of damp but not no liquid sitting on top. And you can kind of poke it with your tool to get it to soak in. And once you're finished that, you just stick the pieces back on. Make sure you push that back down in there. Alright, then your cartridge is ready to go again. Now the second method is a little bit easier. You can just put it up on its bottom here, and there's a little metal dimple there in the bottom, and you can just put a little drop right onto there, and you see it just sucks right into the cartridge. Now when you do it this method, you want to wait a couple seconds between drops so it doesn't overfill, and then just add another one. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure you only add about 2 to 4 drops to avoid overfilling the cartridge. And if you think after you've done this, you also want to look at a light source through that little tube and make sure it's clear and you can see the light through the tube. Otherwise you'll need to open your cartridge up and make sure it's not overfilled. But that's the 2 methods you can refill your cartridges with. Alright, if you have any other questions, just feel free to email sales@ecovapour.biz. Thanks, take care.